Alright guys, Math Chat 32 here. Going to quickly go over each one of these concepts with you to give you a head start. Algebraic thinking, you are going to need to write a numerical expression for the problems and then solve them. So you're going to want to rewrite or translate this from English language to math language. And then after you do that, you're going to want to solve the problem. So you're going to want to type out divide 81 by 9. What does that look like in math terms? And then what is the answer for that? Now, I just want to remind you that we do not have a divide sign in Google Slides. So if you want to just use the slash button to show divide, that is totally fine. Okay. Down here for solving, for base 10 numbers, you have some division and multiplication. I am going to have you guys work on those independently because I've done a lot of help with you, or given you a lot of help on those previously. If you come across any error or any questions you have, don't be afraid to reach out to me. I'd be happy to sit here and help you. Just make sure you're using paper and pencil. You should not be able to do these mentally. These should be ones that you have to write out and solve. If you want to do it digitally for something different to do, you can always go to the app that I use for online whiteboard work, and it's called aweapp.com. If you go to Aweapp, you're going to want to hit Start Drawing. And this is the app I use for my whiteboard. So if you wanted to solve 968 divided by 12, you just go ahead and use your cursor here, 968. It's kind of sloppy, but that's okay. Divided by 12, and you can use different colors for different steps, etc. You guys have seen me use this. So if you wanted to do a paper pencil, you can. Or you want to give it a shot online, you're more than welcome to do that too. You're going to solve those for me. Down here for fractions, you are going to need to solve 5/12 plus 3/4, 7/9 minus 1/2. You're going to need to do butterfly method for those. Measurement and data, you are going to be using a line plot. So you have the data right here, 2017, 2017, 18, 17, 20, 18, 16. You are going to want to take these numbers right here on the side of your screen and drag them below where they belong on the line plot. So there's 17. I want to move that over a little bit. Then you're going to want to drag 16 over. Oops, that's not what I want. Okay, let's try 16 again. Okay. Nope, I'm not going to get what I want. Oh my goodness. It's distance learning. It is not for the faint of heart, let me tell you. Okay, let's try it one last time. Can I grab 16? There we go. Pull 16 over, pull 18, 19, 20. And then this X right here, for how many 16s you have, so in this case we only have one 16, you're only going to want to pull over one X. I can grab it again. One X on top of the 16. We have 1, 2, 3 17s, so you're going to want to pull over 3 17s. I have 17. Let me grab it again. 17, 2 X's, and one more X. There we go. So you're going to complete or continue that process until you have your line plot data recorded below. Geometry, decide if each statement is true or false and explain. We've had a couple of these already, so this should be a review. Are all rectangles quadrilaterals? True, false, explain. Every shape is some type of quadrilateral. True, false, explain. Again, I've given you this Quad Squad image here to help you with this. Again, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. I'm here to help you. Good luck and take care.